In a world that moves fast, there is a place where life slows down beautifully. Set amidst tranquil surroundings, Vishwanath Sanidhya is a villa community crafted for those who value peace, privacy, and timeless elegance. Spread across thoughtfully designed landscapes, Sanidhya offers 2 and 3 BHK villas where architecture blends seamlessly with nature. Here, mornings greet you with birdsong. Afternoons flow in sunlit courtyards, and evenings unfold in lush gardens. Every day feels like a retreat. With smart connectivity to key destinations and everyday essentials close at hand, Sanidhya strikes the perfect balance between calm living and modern convenience. From expansive layouts to community spaces that bring people together, Sanidhya is more than just a villa. It's your personal sanctuary, where weekends never end. Vishwanath Sanidhya, villas where nature and luxury live together.